Hello everyone, welcome you all once again. This is Nagaraj S. Kumar, Lecturer of Computer Science and Engineering Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belgavi. In this video, I am going to continue with the fundamentals of the analysis of algorithm efficiency. So here I am going to cover the mathematical analysis of non-recursive algorithms, how these algorithms will be working, how to analyze this kind of mathematical analysis, this kind of algorithms mathematical analysis, how we can do that we are going to discuss, and then general plan for analyzing the efficiency of this kind of algorithms, that is non-recursive algorithms. After that, the thing is mathematical analysis of non-recursive algorithms. There can be recursive or non-recursive algorithms. First of all, we see the general plan for analyzing the efficiency of non-recursive algorithms. This plan tells us the steps to be followed while analyzing non-recursive algorithms. Then the general plan for that analyzing efficiency of non-recursive algorithms is as follows here. That is, the first step in that general plan is deciding the input size based on parameter n. First we have to decide the input size of that particular algorithm. Then the next step is identify algorithm's basic operations. As I said in the previous video, that finding the basic operation of algorithm is must. If you find that basic operation of that particular algorithm, it will be very less time consuming to perform the operations of all the tasks in all the instructions of that particular algorithm, and it will be reducing the time consuming by that particular algorithm. Then next is we have to check how many times the basic operation is executed. That is, we have to check how many times the basic operation is going to execute or will be executing or will be already has executed. That we have to check. Then find whether the execution of basic operation depends upon the input size n or not. Then based on that, determine worst case, average case and best cases for input size n. If the basic operation depends upon worst case or average case or best case, then that has to be analyzed separately. That is the third step. Then we have set up some for the number of times the basic operation is executed. We have to set up the sum for the number of times the basic operation is executed. Then simplify the sum using standard formula and rules. We have to simplify that. After the basic operation has executed, we have to set up the sum. Once you set up the sum, you have to simplify that with the help of using standard formulas and rules. Then these are the 5 steps it will go through that non-recursive algorithms for analyzing them. Then I am considering here one example for non-recursive algorithm, that is finding the element with maximum value in a given array. For that, I have written here an algorithm that max element as the name of the algorithm and a of 0 to n minus 1. This particular algorithm determines the value of the largest element in a given array. Then we have to give input, that is an array we have to give to this particular algorithm that will be containing real numbers in it. Then what output we are getting from this particular algorithm is, that is the value of the largest element in A, that is A is an algorithm. Then we are assigning that max value to to the variable max val from that particular array. A of 0, 0 indicates that the index of that particular value from that array. Then for I equal to 1 to n minus 1, do this. What? From I1 to n minus 1, we go on performing this operation. That is, if A of I greater than max val, then max val equal to A of I, then return max val. This is how this max element or maximum element, finding the maximum element from the particular array will work, and it will be taking these steps. So let us summarize what we discussed so far, that is mathematical analysis of non-recursive algorithms and the general plan for analyzing efficiency of non-recursive algorithms. So with this, I am here, Nagaraj SK, signing off this video. If you are having any queries, please do ask your queries. I will be available for you people always. Thank you so much.